In the quiet blank between Jupiter and the stars, NASA's Juno spacecraft drifts on, a relic of ambition waiting for commands that may never come. In early 2025, astronomers spotted 3I Atlas, a faint interstellar object sweeping through our solar system, a rare visitor from another sun. The discovery sparked a bold idea. What if Juno, already orbiting Jupiter, could slingshot itself outward to meet it? The plan, championed by astrophysicist Avi Loeb, hinged on a high-stakes maneuver, a Jupiter-Oberth burn, using the giant planet's gravity to boost Juno's velocity by just 2.6 kilometers per second. That tiny change could have redirected the probe toward 3I Atlas, bringing it within 27 million kilometers of the traveler by March 2026. It would have been humanity's first up close study of an object from another star. But as the September 9 maneuver window neared, politics on Earth intervened. A US government shutdown over the 2026 budget froze NASA's discretionary programs. Under emergency rules, only missions essential to life, property, or national security could continue. Juno didn't qualify. The probe was placed in autopilot mode, its mission officially completed. When the scheduled burn came and went, no signals, no updates, and no data appeared. Whether the spacecraft fired its engines before the shutdown or simply drifted on, no one outside NASA knows. Weeks later, the silence feels heavy. A machine built to explore the cosmos may have missed a cosmic visitor because of bureaucratic inertia. Juno still circles Jupiter, its solar panels catching the distant sunlight, a quiet reminder that sometimes the barriers to exploration aren't in the stars, but right here on Earth.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.